Is your non-Windows app crashing because of the BASS WMA module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we dive into the BASS WMA module manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This DLL file is an extension for the BASS audio library that facilitates the playback and encoding of Windows Media Audio WMA files, integrating Microsoft's audio codecs into the BASS framework. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The BASS WMA module DLL is a third-party application file associated with BASS Sound System. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of BASS Sound System will restore the correct version of this file. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the BASS WMA module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Installing an unverified version of the BASS WMA module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to the BASS WMA module. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the BASS WMA module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.